Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 27th for January 2025. The week will end on Friday 31st of January 2025. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you guys must be doing very well. So, for the past couple of weeks, I was not uploading weekly forex forecasts and other videos on my channel. The reason was, first of all, I was very much busy in some tasks that I had to accomplish. If you know my strategy, it says that patience is also a very key factor or instrument that we need to use while trading, right? So patience. So I was like waiting for the market, and now the markets, like mostly the major markets, are at price levels which I think now it's a better time to plan our year ahead, right? Because in the first few couple of weeks what happens is that there is sort of like the market tries to gain momentum on the higher time frames, and same was the case right here. Anyways, today I will try to keep this video not too lengthy, but I will also try to explain and analyze different currency pairs. So first of all, let's jump into the uh, Euro US dollar. Well, if we see Euro US dollar gave very fantastic moves in the past. It gave very fantastic bullish opportunities last year. So as you can see, even right here on the weekly time frame, if I show you, you can see a very fantastic move we have got, right? So to the sell side of the market, I emphasized every investor to pay very close attention to this 1.1288 level, right? And it was a fantastic one. So after that, till there we took buying decisions. Then from there, some traders were buy. I also tried to, on some of the accounts, I definitely tried to put buying decisions as well. And unfortunately, those buying setups were stopped out. So let me show you the setup looks something like this, okay, right here on Monday 4th of November 2024, a very long-term opportunity that was. And when I was stopped out, I knew, and I explained in my videos that Euro US dollar is now going to retest this Fibonacci. And even if you see my last year's every Euro US dollar forecast, you will very easily understand that this was like market has to do this because this was a Fibonacci number, and this is what I was waiting for. So now pay very close attention and just have a look at it. When we have got from 26th September 2022 all the way towards 17th of July 2023, it this impulsive wave, since then the sellers entered into the market with the anticipation that they are going to hit the Fibonacci. And if I add a line right here at this Fibonacci zone, you can exactly see that the market reacted right here. Okay, so since 2016, if I am on this Fibonacci 61.8% retracement strategy, it means there must be something right here. Okay, for the beginners, I'm telling you, because those who follow me, they already know what this is. But if you are a beginner or if you are watching me for the first time, then I think you should check out some of my previous videos. Anyways, right here, if we see at 1.0209 2 weeks ago, right here on 13th of January 2025, this level finally hit and the bulls entered into the market. Now from right here, this euro US dollar became very much interesting for me, and that is why it is part of this weekly forex forecast. So let's see for how long I will be following euro US dollar, but I think the rest of the years euro US dollar is going to give me fantastic opportunities. Now let me show you. If I move right here to the daily time frame, instantly what I should do is, definitely as a trader, if you are looking at it for the first time, then what you can do is you have to clearly identify your support and resistance of the previous levels. So we have 1.12000. Again, this is my number as well. So those investors who took a sell from there till 1.0209, congratulations. And now 1.0209, the bulls entered right here as per my formula, right? And these bulls, like the this whole setup looks something, if you see different levels, there will be one Fibonacci to the top side of the market right here, and this is finally, this is the probability that the market is going to go up there, right? How much time does it take? Is it going to do this in the upcoming week? Maybe yes, but I think for that I want to show you a very quick technique. Pay very close attention. The technique is, this is a pro technique. I'm trying to give it to you free of cost. So just look at it. The free tip for that is, for how long this, like how do I know that, at least I as a trader, if not 100% guaranteedly I can say it's going from here till there in this much of time, at least I should have some sort of probability. And you know, in forex trading, things run over like probabilities and percentages. So anyways, the quick tip and the pro tip right here for that is, you just count it. When price was right here and the support is right here, so just have a look at it. When was that? 6th November 2024. Remember, when it got reverses from here, 13th January. So 6th November, this is 13th January, but let's say this is the start of January. Just resume it for now. So 6th December and January, 2 months. So in 2 months it dropped. So maximum 2 months it can take to go back up. But I'm saying it can do it more quickly than this. If you are planning for uh, taking some trades, then yes, this is going to be super important for you. Anyways, 1.08270, these are the long numbers. There is a lot of stuff on the higher time frame with me at this time, but due to very short limited time, I may not be able to go in much detail of that. So right now on the spot, what is happening on the H4 right here, I want to show you. First of all, we know this is going to be our all-time fantastic support right here, and no one can deny this fact that as far as market is trading above 1.01818, it will be trading above it, right? And as soon as it closes below this, then what I'm saying right now, it will be invalidated by the price. So as far as the market is trading above this level, we should be looking for bullish opportunities, and also we should be reading the previous structure. So this, if you see a very fantastic structure broken right here, you see a fantastic structure right here, and if this structure was broken from right here, I will try to read this chart, and if there is any special Fibonacci number from there, I will try to identify the market. So if I see, oh, just have a look at it, 61.8% retracement we have got. So this is like, I'm studying the bearish story. I just want to know, right, that how these sellers took the market. Okay, their original completion point was right here, but anyways, this is market and it took it from right here. We have got on the H4 right here. Further, if I show you, we have got a very fantastic break of structure as well, and the break of structure occurred exactly at this. You understand this previous study? Now let's see break of structure and change of character of the market. So let's have a look at it. You can do it this way as well, right? But this is the perfect way. Change of character right here as well, and change of character right here as well, and even the market took a support from right here. So what I'm saying is, if price is trading above this, we should be looking for buying opportunities. But is that buying going to be right here? Well, that depends on the trader and the trader equity. I cannot say anything about it, but well, on the H4, if I say, well, this is going to be, I will be dragging it a little bit to this side of the market, 1.06436. This is approximately going there, and that will be a fantastic area to look for some maybe sell opportunities. Maybe you can, if you are buying from right here, you can look for your take profit as well. But 1.06200 till 1.06400, approximately this level, if you target, then I think yes, this is going to be a perfect plan. It will be right. Now I want to further show you a little bit of the H1, because there is a lot of stuff, you know, on the 15-minute H1 and all of these on this right now on the H4. And I just want to tell you that what type of traders are inside in the market right now. So for that, if we see, we have got a break of structure right here as well. You see this one, break of structure, and even one we have got right here. So this particular buying opportunity was for those traders, and even this particular buying opportunity was for those traders who were taking buying decision on the basis of this, right? So the market go up, took a retracement, and previous support, if you see, try to read the markets like this, okay? Please, this is very much important for a traders understanding. See, support, then a breakout retest, then this. So maybe a retest and the market continue back to 1.06500. But since I am a Fibonacci trader, so I will say, nah, my brother, okay, no doubt the market will be bullish, but I cannot buy it way up there. So what I am going to do in those situation and those traders who are thinking the way I'm thinking about the market, and for that, obviously, if from here the market drops towards this 61.8% retracement, that is going to be a fantastic buying area one, and obviously this is buying area two. So in market, I want to be safe. Remember everyone, whenever you want to be safe in the market, you have to plan your trades in advance like this. You cannot just blindly jump into any market, right? That is a very much losing approach. So this is the euro US dollar. I hope you will understand it, and if you want to follow these whole plans along with me, you can just click on the subscribe button of the channel with the bell icon, so you never miss any update. Move on to the pound dollar. Okay, on the pound dollar, exactly sort of same thing it did, right? Pound dollar, just see. You will remember, those of you who are watching me for the first time, you can check back my previous videos. You will find these. So you will be able to see that I discussed this pattern. I will be cleaning up the chart a little bit. And obviously there were some decisions that turned against me, but this is Forex, like they were not too much big. So let me clean the chart a little bit. This cell you will remember previously I gave, if you see right here. So I think this is like a new start, new year 2025. So well, yes, this story now is completely old, I should say. And it is old because now we have seen the market above it, below it. So this gave us fantastic profits last year. That was it. So let's delete everything. I will be first discussing a weekly time frame a little bit, and then let's see on the weekly. Remember, in the longer run, euro on and pound, it moves the same way. On the euro dollar, bulls appeared. On the pound dollar, bulls appeared. But remember, the trading plans might be a bit different. Okay, it might be different than each other, but the direction will be the same. And this is something that I discuss with the members. But right here, if I show you, market took a very fantastic support, and this 1.20, it was, I predicted it in each and every forex forecast in which I discussed pound dollar. I said market is now right here, and it is. So bulls had to appear at this particular zone. Moving on to the daily, due to a very short time, let's see on a daily, in simple words, if we see, this is for now resistance, and if this is a resistance, it definitely will have a Fibonacci number. So it is going back up to, as per the Fibonacci, going back up to 1.30, and it doesn't mean it will be straight going up. Maybe it spent like this is also like 2 months it spent. So maybe this is a prediction that it can touch 1.30 once again. So if you have some like types of trades which are stuck, maybe for some traders will be stuck up there, so it will be a very good chance you can release some of the trades, right? So there is, my friends, a lot of the stuffs that I want to discuss, but due to the time limitation. Okay, anyways, let's have a look at the H4. Remember, on the H4, don't try to trade on lower time frame below the H4 this upcoming week, because the market is going to be a bit scary. There will be three things that can happen. One, it will be a completely crashing top market, because if you see right here, it has broken this particular trend line, right? This is like going to be in the upcoming week right here. But anyways, if we see, even if the market drops, I will be happy. Why? Because I want to catch a buying decision. I shouldn't be saying it live right here on the public platform, because no one shares their stuff, because then the big players know about it. Anyways, I cannot go in much detail about it. But see this area of 1.2253, if you see, if the market drops right here, then definitely I will be considering it for a buying decision. And unless this level of 1.21257, again I repeat, is not broken to the bottom side of the market, this is going to be my support, right? And I will be taking any buying decision upon it. This is my rule. Now let's discuss one other pair, like the dollar yen. Maybe if I can find it out right here. Dollar index I want to discuss a little bit at this first video of the year. Dollar index, if you see, what it did is, it did nothing but it just followed the algorithm. This is, again, you see the old data. So let's delete everything. Dollar index is now bullish, right? It may be hitting this 114.786 very soon, or very later, right? But it will be going up there, and it is still on a bullish trend. So by the time when dollar index will be struggling right here, the euro US dollar will be struggling breaking the structure, because if the dollar index take a rejection from it, those euro dollar pound dollar gold, they will like crash. But on the other hand side, if we see this dollar index, it is as per the formula, like the forex rules, because whenever a level is broken, it take a retest and it continue back high to hit the resistance. As per that formula, this is going to happen. But as per my formula, what the market is going to give me is it is still in a bearish wave. This market is going to come back down to this particular zone of 61.8% retracement. So just have a look at it. Now remember everyone, whenever you are trading, try to trade very safely and look at these numbers. Like these numbers, I don't know why you guys don't understand what like this forex tells you. This is the simplest thing. Why you don't understand? You see 104.067, everyone knows about it. Every big traders knows about it, that if the market drops to 104, bulls will appear right here for sure. So this is it. But again, there are several conditions. If the bulls appear right here, then it will shake the whole forex market, especially the major pairs, right? And you will see then the dollar CAD skyrocket, gold dropping. If this dollar index drops, then things will get a bit change, right? Now let me again see. Okay, one more pair. Quickly, I want to discuss the dollar CAD very quickly. It broke the level, but it respected the level. If you see, this is the dollar CAD. You see, so it is nicely standing, and you know I gave you these buying levels, right? From here, 1 2 3, and then this followed by an ABCD pattern. If you see, a very fantastic one. It was very fantastic. See, now if I go and show you these patterns on the lower time frames, it will take a lot of the time. Now it is standing at a sell point. Let's see, next week I will be looking at it. I might be planning for some sell opportunities because okay, the monthly is open, so let's see the weekly. Well, yes, the weekly is engulfing as well, but engulfings are not always true. So I have to look for the daily, and yes, if I get a break below this is a 100% guaranteed sell. Trading opportunities all the way towards in the upcoming 2 weeks, I should say. Maybe I'm just giving rough numbers. Once it breaks, then once this level is broken, then I will be precisely doing something. But if you see, this chart is very much easy. You see a red candle that was suggesting a drop, then the bulls came in, so means this level is very strong. So then 1.40856 is going to be the retest level, and well, yes, you can plan some trades to the sell side and buy side of the market, keeping in mind these support and the resistance levels, right? And if you are a forex trader, if someone gives you two levels, you know, in the forex forums, and we colleagues, when sit together, when we ask someone, we ask each other that hey, what are your levels? So we talk in two numbers. This is my support, this is my resistance, and rest of the things we do ourselves, right? So yes, this is it. You have to understand this particular technique if you want to get successful in the market. This is dollar. Yes, dollar CAD, I see it dropping in the nearest future. I'm talking in terms of long term, but specifically, yes, in the upcoming week there will be some bullish opportunities as well. Now how traders catch it, that is something else. But bullish opportunities, if I show you, there is a huge volume right here, so some bulls may appear right here after some weeks, giving us some weeks right here. Now the euro US, the gold US dollar has created a very crashing type of pattern, right? So if you see, I was actively in this gold thing right here, and 2777 again this high. All of you remember in the last video what I said, the market is going to do this or this. In December when I gave you the analysis, I simply said this thing. So now it is at a high, but obviously, if you see on the lower time frames, well, there is still a drop expected, and maybe if this triangle that was broken near 2680, 2690. So if the market reaches there and if it take a rejection from here, that is fine. Anyone who is stuck from the bottom, definitely, some of my trades are also stuck from the bottom because I am a hedging trader as well. So yes, let's see. I think, and yes, if the market closes above this, then I will just leave gold for some time. I will be going in sort of hibernation mode or maybe in scalping mode. That depends on what the market brings, right? So this was the forecast, and I hope that you understand these methodologies, my friends. Okay. Oh, I am uploading these videos so that more and more traders can learn as well. Anyways, wherever you are, take a lot of care of yourself. For this particular video, I had several meetings on Sunday even as well, and I had to cancel that so that I can talk to you all. I think I am sure you will be giving me feedback in the form of comments and in the form of what we say, in the form of WhatsApp messages. Yes, you can talk to me on the WhatsApp as well. So this is my number. You can contact me. And yes, this is it. So this was for the week. And I hope any instrument you trade, you make lots and lots of profits. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.